Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bulk Crap Uninstaller if it's not removing apps on your Windows PC. First, launch Bulk Crap Uninstaller as an administrator. Right-click the application and select Run as administrator. Next, select the application you want to remove and click Uninstall. If the uninstall process fails, make sure the application isn't running in the background. If it is, close it or end its process using Task Manager, then try again. If the problem continues, use Force Uninstall if the option is available. This can help remove stubborn applications that fail to uninstall normally. After that, run a residual scan to detect and remove any leftover files, folders, and registry entries related to the application. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Bulk Crap Uninstaller. Download and install the latest version if necessary, then try the uninstall process again. If the application still cannot be removed, restart your computer and try uninstalling it again. That's it. These methods should help fix most problems when Bulk Crap Uninstaller is not removing applications. Thanks for watching.